Hello again, everyone. Okay, so the lock I have today is another challenge lock sent to me by Bill from the Lock Lab. Thank you, Bill, for this lock. And if you guys haven't seen any of Bosny and Bill's videos on his channel, you really should check him out. He's got some awesome videos. He does 4 giveaways every week to his subscribers. Really, it's just an awesome channel. This lock here is a challenge lock pinned by West Coast Picks. He calls this the Big Easy. That's another channel if you guys haven't seen West Coast Picks channel. He makes awesome locks. I've already picked one of his challenge locks. He calls this one the Big Easy. Something tells me it's not going to be so easy. Here's the bidding on it. It doesn't look that bad, but when you put the key in here, there's a lot of hanging up. There's going to be some T-pins or something nasty in this lock. But we're going to try to get her open and take a look, see what's inside. Alright, she's locked up. Let's put her in the vise here. Try not to squeeze her too hard. I'm still looking for a piece of leather. Let me make sure we're still working here. Yep. Alright. Excuse me. Alright. I'm going to use this Peterson gem because there's a little piece of wording here. I'm trying to bypass that, and it fits up there pretty good. I'm going to throw this wiper blade in the bottom. Give me a little bit more of a ledge there to work off of. There's a lot of room down there. I'm going to use this tension wrench I made from a Z-wrench because this one's like 50 thousandths thick. My thickest one is 40. So it works not too bad. It's kind of like difficult to make sure it stays in there, but we're going to see if we can get her to work today. Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's go to the back of the lock. Ooh, got a nice click out of 6 already. Got a little turn on the core. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Oh. That was 4, I think. Let's turn on the core, and I'm not sure if I actually set them or... Okay, we got good turn on the core on 3. Might have him set. Oh, there's a nice false set now. I think that was off at 2, or maybe that was 3. Alright, we're getting some counter rotation off of 1. See if I could get him set. I might have him set. Alright, let's go back to lock again. See what we got here. Definitely got some spools in here. Get a little feedback from 2. Tiny click from him. More feedback from 1. Alright, I can't seem to get anything from him now. Let's check it out again. See what we got. Tiny bit of rotation from 3. Ooh. So this is number 1. Oh. I think I got him set that time. I still got a good false set. Getting a little counter rotation from 6 now. Might have him set. What else we got in here? Oh, nice click from 2, I think, and got a deeper false set. Little click from 6, got even a deeper false set. I got a nice deep false set now. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, okay, we're open, guys. That's it. I'm gonna take her out of here. Alright, another lock opened. Beauty. Alright, let's try to keep it in frame. Let's see what's inside this, guys. Let me move this stuff a little bit here. I do have the key in case we get it locked up. That was another fun lock. I loved it. It's great. Alright, let's see what we got. Unlike the lock yesterday, taking that back off was a pain in the butt. This one here might not be as hard. Let me try to get it off with this one. Let me lower this. Alright, what do we got? Let's lock this up, because we have the key. Alright. See if I could spin that thing around. Let me see. Maybe I could just... Alright, it's off. That's the clip. Alright, ooh. This one, with the stuff I have, guys, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to. Might have to put this a little bit differently. Hold on one second. Because I know this ain't going to fit over it, is it? Oh, it might. If I could get this to fit on that. You might be able to get that to slide out like that. Alright, let's unlock this. Turn it this way. Let me spin this. Oops. Hope this doesn't get messy. Alright guys, wish me luck. Nope, it didn't happen. I lost, darn it, I lost quite a few pins in that one. Oh boy. Alright, well, let's see what we got anyways. Sorry about that, West Coast. I might have to have you, I might have to look at another video on how this, how these pins went exactly. I think I lost 3 of them. I'll let you look at them in a minute. Alright, I did lose 3 of them. Alright, so they were in the back of lock. We'll just say that one's 5, unless there's 6 pins in here. Let's say that one's 4, and that one's 3. We're just taking a guess, guys. Where did that one go? That's a standard, popped out the back, number 2. And number 1. I think there was only 5 pins, yeah. 5. Let me check in this quarter. Oops. Oh, there was 6, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. All the springs are different too. He loves to put different springs in there. Oh, there's the other pin I could hear. Oh, there it is. Oh boy. That's a nasty looking pin. That might have been, wow. Unless this one here is a pin and pin. Okay. This one here is another pin and pin. Oh, these are some great pins, guys. I wish I really didn't screw this up. Because I will definitely have to get a picture of how this lock went back together before I put it back together. I'll show you the pins in a minute. Alright. And then the core, or in the Bible rather. I have my tools coming, guys, for gutting. From Sparrows, I don't know where they are yet. I haven't even gotten the email saying that they sent it yet. And I don't think anything's done in this Bible. It all looks pretty standard. Alright, well, we have the key pins anyways to look at. they're all working. Yep, they're all working. They look pretty nasty too. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Number 1. It's a nice serrated pin. Number 2. It's a nice spool with a sharp edge on the top. Number 3. Another serrated. Number 4. Another serrated. Number 5. Ooh, that's a nice one. I'm not even sure what to call that. Alright, let me give you a look at these pins real quick. First of all, number 1, the key pin. It's a nice serrated, got some nice serrations on it. Let me focus it in a little bit. Nice serrations on the 1. This one here, number 2, is a nice spool. Number 3, another nice serrated. Nice serrations on that. Number 4, another serrated. Number 5 is, make sure that's not a pin and pin. No. Number 5 is a nice spool with a T-pin, or yeah, nice little T-pin on top. Number 6 is a nice spool serrated. And guys, I'm really sorry about what happened, that gutting in the Bible, but I'm going to try to give you a closer up of these pins here without screwing up. Let me do this way. Let me just take this off. I got my phone on the vice head, the 305 from Panavice. But look at those pins. Really nice pins. Wish I didn't screw them up. A couple of pin and pins. A couple of spools. Man, those are some awesome pins, West Coast. Alright guys, like I said, sorry for that gutting. A little messy, but I got it. I got through it. Alright guys, that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everyone else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks guys. Bye.